This is Weather on the One with Tom here in Raleigh, North Carolina. The big snowstorm of 2018. Oh yeah, it's come. And we officially, from this vantage point here, which is easy to see, we officially have 6 inches and it's still coming down. There's the Isuzu. Look at that, completely covered. Nice. Look at my trees. I mean, they're bent over completely. Hey, what's going on? Looks like one of my neighbors is getting out of here. So there's our townhome community. Now it's just ice pellets coming down. Oh yeah, the Mr. Fix-All vans, they're covered. It's pretty cold out here, not too bad. Now, there's the 02, there's the 04, and the 2018 Ford truck. Okay. Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Yeah, this is me, Tom, your Action News weather reporter on the scene here in Raleigh, North Carolina. I just want to go on the record that this came in fast, it's stuck, and now it's cold, it's wet, and we got ice pellets coming in. So ice is going to go on top of this, hopefully, depending on, well, not hopefully, but we know what happens if too much ice gets on top of this. We'll pack it in, then it's going to be impossible to drive around here because everything will be frozen solid. But I wanted to give you this update here in Raleigh. This is pretty cool. Of course, I went and got all my supplies yesterday, so I don't need anything. I'm good to go. All right, let's go back in the house real quick where I'm cooking. And actually, this was a perfect time to try out my new, oh yeah, there you go. I got my heavy duty outerwear on and my brand new pair of camo waterproof all-terrain boots that I picked up at Tractor Supply, my favorite place. Let's go in the house real quick, but oh, let me show you this. This is the backyard. Now, here's a fantastic way of seeing how much snow we got. Right there. Bam. Look at that. That's definitely 6 to 7 inches right there. And that's a flat top table. And that's a perfect example right there. Look at that. Nice little dome. My water fountain. Oh yeah, nice. All right, I got some eggs cooking. Oh, my Pennsylvania plum tree. Oh, look at this. I have never seen that in a long time. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen that ever. Where I've got just a big old scoop of snow ready to fall off of there. Come on into the hacienda. What's up, everybody? I got it nice and cozy in here. I got my mountain bike sitting right there with all my DVDs. Of course, I've got over 550 DVDs. This is just one small part of the collection. But it's dark in here. But I was hanging out in here last night. Let's check out the eggs. They're looking good. Sunny side up. Okay. Got all my coffee mugs, my eggs, my bananas, and I've got everything packed in here pretty good. I went and stocked up on a bunch of other stuff. Coffee, of course, canned produce, tuna. Filled up the refrigerator since shit hits shit hits the fan. Oh yeah, I'm going to do some barbecuing. Got some nice chicken. Of course, got some Ice House, some Arizona tea, and aqua water. Alright, so I got plenty of stuff. Alright, let me end this video. It's dark in here, I know, and I need to start cooking. I'll catch you guys later, man. You know what to do. Comment, thumbs up, subscribe. Tom out of here, your action news reporter here in Raleigh. Where? We got 6 inches, definitely. I'll leave you with the eggs.